guys, welcome to my channel Go2touring.
As on now, I am at Ghent, an incredible city of Belgium, and here I am going to enjoy a boat ride, irresistible boat ride with my family in Ghent Canal. So guys, after completing the formalities, we are proceeding towards the deck.
Déterminer la quantité, et ceci était un travail pour les mesureurs de blé qui le mesuraient donc. Alvorens daar het koren bewaard werd, moest de hoeveelheid van het koren bepaald worden en dat was een werk voor de koorhaals of the free boatman. That one with the caravel above the door is from the city.
Our captain was super brilliant personality. He was speaking in English, Dutch and Spanish so fluently, and at the same time he was entertaining the crowd too.
Churches, and this is still the biggest church of Ghent. This was always the biggest church of Ghent. This reveals something about the fortune the Bruges made. Yeah, they were sponsoring the construction of the biggest church of Ghent. You know, for a guild sponsoring the...
Here in Ghent, on both sides of the canal, there are many archaeological sites, historical monuments and religious places like churches. He was providing detailed information about each and every place. He was trying to create every historical event live in front of our eyes. Ghent is having history of almost 1400 years. 3 medieval towers and a castle are the major historical tourist attractions of Ghent. Among 3 towers, one is belfry, that is watchtower, and 2 churches. One is Saint Nicholas Church and another is Saint Boat Church. And the medieval castle surrounded by a moat is called as Castle of Counts or Castle of Flanders, and every Belgian citizen is proud of it. So guys, that's all about the history of Ghent and all the medieval monuments. I don't want to go far because this boat tour is itself 40-45 minutes long and I can't cover everything in 7 to 8 minutes video, and I know history is not everybody's cup of tea, so I want you to just stay with me and enjoy the fascinating scenic views during this boat tour. Friends, you can see the entire line of the railing is decorated with beautiful flowers. Isn't it an eye-soothing natural beauty? Truly aesthetic medieval town.